The device is equipped with a Sony camera sensor, featuring an 8MP front camera and a 2MP rear camera, both offering a 170-degree wide-angle lens for comprehensive coverage. One of the standout features of this dashcam is its 24-hour parking monitoring capability, ensuring your vehicle is protected even when you're not around. The Starlight night vision technology allows for clear recording in low-light conditions. The Dashcam 24h Touch Night Vision 4K GPS WIFI 8.3" is a cutting-edge car accessory designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. This advanced rearview mirror dashcam is compatible with all vehicles equipped with a mirror, making it a versatile choice for car owners. With its 8.3-inch 4K touchscreen, it offers a sleek and modern design while providing ultra-high-definition video recording at 3840 by 2160p resolution. While strong light suppression ensures optimal performance in bright environments, the dashcam also supports dual recording, capturing both front and rear views simultaneously, and includes loop recording to automatically overwrite older footage when the memory card is full. The device is packed with additional features such as voice control, touchscreen operation, and time-lapse recording, making it user-friendly and highly functional. It also includes a reverse camera function, which can be particularly useful for parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The dashcam supports GPS and WIFI, enabling real-time tracking and easy access to recorded footage via a smartphone app. When ordering, customers are advised to send a picture of the bracket on the back of their rearview mirror to ensure compatibility and receive the correct bracket for their car model. This attention to detail ensures a seamless installation process and a perfect fit for your vehicle. The dashcam comes with a built-in battery, though it is primarily designed to save settings and time rather than support continuous operation. For optimal performance, it is recommended to use the original power charger included in the package. The device supports multiple languages and is compatible with memory cards ranging from 30 GB to 128 GB, offering ample storage for recorded footage.